Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix YouTube Premium when your payment is done but it's not showing on your account in 2025. If you paid for premium and still see ads or your subscription says free, don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's get started. First, confirm that your payment went through. Go to your Google account, and here you can see this, and here you can see the Google account. Then click the payment and subscription. Click to the manage purchases. Then click the YouTube Premium transaction, and it say pending. Might it might be take a few hours to process, especially with the bank cards or PayPal. And make sure you logged into the right account. Here you can see a very common mistake is paying with one Google account but using another. Check the top right corner of YouTube and make sure you are signing in with the same emails used for payment. If you have multiple Google accounts, switch to the correct one. And sometimes the subscription status just need to refresh. On mobile, close and reopen the YouTube apps and sign out and sign back in. And if it's still not showing, install and install the apps. And if you are on a browser, go to browser settings and clear browsing data. Here you can see this, the browsing history, download history, and select cache and cookies. Sign back into YouTube and check if premium actives. If none of this work, go to YouTube and help section, YouTube help, and need more help, get create support or chat support. Provide your payment receipt or transaction ID. They can manually activate your premium if the payment was successful. And that's it. Now you know how to fix YouTube Premium when your payment is done but not showing in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.